Hey everyone, today is May 12th, 2015, 6:22 p.m. I did a little walk around of this 91 LeBaron a couple weeks ago, and I mentioned about possibly doing a cold start. So I just got a new battery. It's been sitting here 6 months, going on 7. It hasn't been run at all in the year 2015 yet. It's been in my backyard all winter, so I think I'm going to do a cold start on it and see how it does. I don't know. It's one nice thing about fuel injection, though. It should go. We shall soon find out. So I'll just set the camera down and we'll see what happens. Well, that was easy enough. Gotta love fuel injection. Let the electric fuel pump get some gas up there, and I thought that new battery sounded a little bit low, though I wasn't too happy with that. Kind of went and then it finally went. So I'll have to make sure that's good and charged up. I don't even know if you can hear this thing run on the camera. Pretty quiet runner. Probably let it warm up here for 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to put it in the garage alongside my other convertible. So there we have it. That's pretty cool. Usually the lifters on these 3.0s make a little bit more noise too after they sat, but wasn't too bad. We've had this car about 15 years now. Needs a little bit of touch up here and there. I put this front end on 2 summers ago. So, but that's it for now. That's it for the cold start. I'm glad it started. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless.